So today's Sunday, but it's been raining for the last 2 days. It rained most of the day yesterday morning, and in the afternoon it was okay. It may have rained last night, I don't know. I was pretty tired, so I slept through everything. Red was, we treated her for flea medicine, so she was a little anxious last night. There was a lot of fleas dying on her. So she got up on the bed and I had to pet her to get her to sleep. So by the time I fell asleep, I was pretty tired. But anyway, it has rained today several times. So today's the day I'm supposed to cut grass, but I guess I won't be doing that. So Carolyn and I talked and we said that maybe we could wait it another week. The thing is last week, I mow every 2 weeks on Sunday. And last week I mowed down there by the solar panels, all that area down there. So the only thing that really needed mowed is this up here. It's specifically in front of the camper. So if it gets too bad, I can just fire up the beast and come down here and knock that down real quick. You know, taking the John Deere out from underneath the tarp and all that, that's quite a bit of work. Not a lot of work, but it's work. So more work than it would be with the beast. So, but I think we're gonna let it go for another week. So that means I don't have much of a video for today. So I thought I would talk about YouTube again, my other channel, this channel. I've mentioned it several times. I'm not going to talk a lot about this channel, a little bit, but specifically, I told you a while back that I think I figured out YouTube. You see, the previous CEO got cancer and passed away. While she was running YouTube, it's my understanding that it was always billions of dollars in the negative. It was losing money every year. Now, I'm not saying she was a bad CEO. I don't know. I know that she was into political correctness a lot, and she really controlled what kind of YouTube videos you could make. You know, during the COVID and the Ukraine war and all that stuff, you weren't allowed to make videos about that kind of stuff. But I don't think those restrictions apply so much anymore. So I guess the second guy in charge took the CEO's position. And things you can sell have changed. I'm not saying they've changed for the better or the worse. What I do know is YouTube is now making billions of dollars. So it has turned around its revenue stream. So we can be fairly certain that YouTube isn't going to go broke. Google, I think it's actually called Alphabet Company, was supporting YouTube for years. So anyway, when he took over, you could feel a difference, and I hoped that the difference would be that we would get more views, but it didn't turn out that way. It's actually terrible. The views are terrible. YouTube, the views have absolutely sunk. And then also we have Gemini. Gemini is a AI program that Google developed. So Gemini is now in charge of the AI. You know, everybody talks about YouTube AI. Gemini is YouTube's AI now. So they got rid of YouTube's AI and they're using Gemini. That switched over back in March. And I'm really not sure how that's all going to work out either. I know with the click of a button, you can find out exactly how your channel's doing, how your video is doing, all that now with a Gemini knockoff in the YouTube studio. So, you know, I guess that's all to be seen, but I don't suspect it's going to get any better. There's a summarize button underneath the video. And so when you do vlogs like this, nobody's watching these videos anymore. They're just hitting the summarize button, catching the highlights and moving on. And I don't know, I was always the rules have changed. And I don't even think the people who tell you what the rules are have realized the rules have changed. You know, in the old days, you never gave away what it is your video was about. You kept the title very vague, and but you wanted to grab the audience and you wanted to hang on to them until the very last second before you gave away what the video was. And it was all very strategic, and you know, I'm starting to get a grasp on it. And before she quit, I had a handle on it. I started understanding what was going on, and my channel was exploding. And I'm not complaining. I'm not. I just had to rethink things, and that's the key. Is when things change, you don't give up. You just figure out a different strategy to meet the changes, and that's what I want to talk to you about. So I recognize this vlog isn't working, but it is still making about half, maybe a little less than half of what I'd really like to be making on YouTube. You know, I was at one point on YouTube, and you know, it exceeded what I really wanted, which was great. But now I've went the other way, and I'm below where I want to be. So when I realized what YouTube was doing, YouTube's doing a couple things. One, if you make long form content, they want the highest ad revenue they can get. So on a vlog like this, they don't make a lot of money. The advertisers aren't interested. You know, you might, well, I mean, I guess with it being off-grid, you might get some high revenue, like solar generators and that kind of stuff, ads. But in the end, you probably don't get a lot of high revenue ads. But when you teach someone a skill, like lawnmower repair, like my other channel, you all of a sudden start getting into high revenue ads. People selling lawnmowers, people selling parts, people selling... So they are interested in those kind of videos. It took me a while to figure all this out. Secondly, forget about YouTube. I've completely just dropped it with YouTube. I'm not even trying to make YouTube algorithm happy anymore. I'm not. Or the people who watch YouTube videos on that other channel. I'm not. I'm just done with YouTube. Other than uploading to YouTube, that's it. That's all I care about. My focus is now Google. Google search. You know, if I happen to pick up a YouTube search along the way, that is fine. But Google search is my primary driver. The problem with YouTube search is it always takes you to a short video. Google search takes you to long form videos. Short videos don't make any money. They make tons of money for YouTube though, but not for the creator. So again, they want you to make YouTube short videos. YouTube wants you to make short videos because they make a ton of money, but don't have to pay a lot. As a matter of fact, as far as this profit sharing on videos, short videos, they actually profit share less than what they profit share on long form. That being said, they'll take their, what, 50%, I think it is, and then you have to split your 50% up with other creators because there's only one ad like every 4 or 5 videos, so those 4 or 5 videos all have to share that 50%. So you're not making anything on short videos. So they don't want you, so they want you making short videos, or they want you making educational videos because the ad revenue is real high. Now, when I say long form videos, I'm talking about 15-minute videos. If you make a 15-minute educational video, oh, they're happy. They're just thrilled that you did that. Again, I'm not focused on YouTube. I don't care what YouTube thinks. If they're happy or not, whatever. I don't care because Google is my driver now. I've learned in the last month, Google is going to save, or not save, but make my new channel excel beyond belief. I'm getting so many views from Google. This channel's never gotten a view from Google. Never. Maybe occasionally, but I'm getting, well, let's see, I'm getting 600 views a day. It's a new channel, you know, it's only a year old, but I'm getting 600 views a day. And either it's YouTube search, which isn't very much because most of those are short videos, or it's Google search. And Google search is all long form. So I'm making a ton of money there. Not a ton, because again, the channel's small, but as far as percentages of money, I should say, Google search is what's getting my traffic. Then there's a third option. If you want to run a vlog like this channel, like right here, this video, you have to make it an hour long, at least an hour long. They want you sitting down at your TV watching this video for an hour because they get to throw dozens of commercials into that video. If you make a 15-minute video, you only get 4. Well, you can get more, but typically they only put 4 ad breaks in a video this size. And they actually have changed how that works. Used to be you just throw in all the ads you wanted, but now YouTube tells you, first of all, they put ads in for you. You can add more ads, but they might reject it. Say, no, we don't like that one. So it's just easier to let them do it. So this channel cannot be successful because you got that summarize button. YouTube is not promoting vlogs anymore because they're not making any money on them. So this channel is going to have to change in the future, and I've already talked about that. You know, I'm going to do a lawnmower destructive test on that channel just to keep this one going for the folks that like this channel, and I want to do that for you. But you know, making these videos every day and not making, you know, the money I need to make, it's a lot of, so in 4 years, when the other channel starts doing really well, you know, I might switch this one over. And now on the other channel, I've already got enough videos to get me into October of 2027. So a year and several months of videos. I learned yesterday though that you can only upload 2 years worth of scheduled videos. After that, you got to put them in private or unlisted, but they'll still hold on to them. You just can't schedule them. So if I die, I might have a bunch of videos in private that somebody's going to have to figure out how to unlock so they can make revenue from it. But I want to have at least 4 years stockpile of videos, so if something happens, or you know, the town gets mad at me and doesn't want to give me lawnmowers anymore, I can adjust to it and still have enough videos. That's kind of the plan. But I learned something that I did not know. A few years ago, YouTube asked this channel, me, if I would experiment with products. So YouTube has contracted with a bunch of different people, companies and different things, Walmart, and said you can sell products through the viewer, the content creator. So if I, you know, talk about this mosquito repellent thing, and Walmart is selling that, I can go into what's called products button, and I can advertise that for Walmart, and Walmart gives me a percentage. Now I know the trolls are going to say, I thought you said you weren't going to be some shill for, you know, the companies. And I've said I'm not going to do advertisements in my video. I'm not going to do a video break. Okay, for today's sponsor, let's talk about mosquito repellent. I'm not going to do that. I've talked about it many times. So I haven't done it with this channel. When they asked me to do the experiment, I did the experiment for a while, but then they took it away from me, and I didn't understand why. I thought maybe I broke a rule. They didn't explain what happened. So when they brought it back, I was like, nah, I'm not touching that because I don't want to break any rules. So I didn't do anything. But when I started the new channel just a few months ago, YouTube actually kind of contacted me through the studio. Not directly, but it was like in a notification thing, and explained it. So I went to AI, Gemini, and I asked questions about it. How does it work and all that? And what it actually does is it actually helps you promote your video. So if I have a lawnmower blade that I'm putting on, and a viewer is looking at that and thinking, wonder where I can get that lawnmower blade, if at the same time I hold up that lawnmower blade, I put a product affiliate link right there at the bottom of the screen of that exact blade, and they click it, then it actually helps my reach on my video. So I was thinking, well, that's good. That helps promote my videos. But at the same time, I get a percentage of that product if they buy it. That's what I thought. So the other day, I noticed, you know, I've been putting it on there for a long time, and no one's ever bought anything. I figured no one ever would. I thought, this is a joke. Nobody's buying products off of YouTube, click affiliate links. Nobody's doing that. But the other day, I saw 34 cents. I got 34 cents. I thought, wow, where'd that come from? I know it's not a lot of money. And so I looked at the picture, and it was one of these garden hose sprayers. I'm like, well, I didn't advertise a garden hose sprayer. This is obviously wrong. And my thought is I need to contact YouTube because they've made a mistake. I didn't want to just take money that wasn't mine. So again, I went to Gemini AI, and what it is, it's not that they're just trying to sell your product. If somebody clicks on my lawnmower blade for Walmart, and it takes them into the Walmart page, and they decide not to buy the lawnmower blade, but they decide to buy a garden sprayer, I still get credit for that because I brought the viewer into Walmart's webpage. I get that money. So I thought, well, that's pretty cute, cool. I didn't know that. Well, the other day, all of a sudden, I got $6 and some odd cents. And I go, wow, this is great. So, you know, that's a lot more than the 34 cents. So I went and looked at it. And again, it was unrelated. It was waders. You know, those pants that you can go fishing in, fly fishing, kind of like waders. And so, okay, well, if that's what they want to buy, so I got the, you know, they apparently click, and I know what video is doing it. I made a video about a Cub Cadet transmission seal in December, and it is doing fantastic on Google. That's my highest Google search video, and people are clicking on that affiliate on the seal. That's what's funny, is they're clicking to buy a seal, and they're buying all this other stuff. So that's fine. Again, I'm not trying to make money through that. That was not the goal. Actually, I really didn't know I would make much money at it at all. I just thought that if somebody would click it, it would promote my channel more, which it does that also. So I'm pretty excited about the new channel. So if you'll click this up next box, it'll take the video over to my other channel. And today is going to be a brand new video. I really appreciate it if you go check it out. So if I can inspire you to keep figuring out the problems that society throws at you, so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.